Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. Today we'll discuss a question from JEE main examination based on functions. Consider the function f defined from real number to real number. The function is f of x is twice x over square root 1 plus 9x square if the composition of f of up to 10 times if in function of x equals to 2 raised to the power 10 x over square root of 1 plus 9 alpha into x square, then find the value of square root of 3 times of alpha plus 1. So the function is given to f of x equals to twice x over square root 1 plus 9x square. Then f of fx equals to twice f of x over square root 1 plus 9 f of x whole square. So f of fx on simplification will be twice 2x over square root 1 plus 9x square. The denominator will be square root 1 plus 9 and f of x whole square equals to 4x square over, there will be no square root, 1 plus 9x square. So on further simplification it will be 4 times of x over square root 1 plus 9x square, and here 1 plus 9x square plus 36x square, 1 plus 45x square over 1 plus 9x square. This square root will be cancelled. We are getting 4 times of x over 1 plus 45x square. Now coming to f of fx equals to 4 times of 2x into square root of 1 plus 9x square over square root of 1 plus 45 to 4 times of x, 4x square over 1 plus 9x square. So it will be 8 times of x over 1 plus 4 into 45 into 4. It will be 1 plus 189x square. So similarly, if I take f of x 4 times, it will be 16x over square root 1 plus 189 into 4x square plus 9x square. 16x over 1 plus 9 plus here 189 into 4 square. So now let us make a relation. So it is given that when it is 4 times we are getting 10 to the power 10x. So for f1 it is 2 power 1x. For f of f this is 2 power 2 into x. This is your 2 power 3 into x. So when I will go for 10 times, equals to 2 to the power 10x. Denominator is complete. Now coming to the numerator, it will be 1 plus 9 alpha x square. So now let us compare the denominator or see the recurrence. First is 9 into 1x square, then 9 into 5x square, then 9 into 21x square, so on. So this alpha equals to 1, 5, here 21, then 85. So let us find a pattern in your alpha. Alpha is 1, 5, 21, 85. Then it is 255. So we can write this as 2 power 2 minus 1 by 3, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 by 3, 2 to the power 6 minus 1 by 3, to the power 8 minus 1 by 3, so on. So what will the 10th term of this series? 10th term will be 2 to the power 20 minus 1 by 3. So the question is about find the square root of 3 alpha plus 1. We got alpha equals to 2 to the power 20 minus 1 by 3. So substituting here, we'll write 3, 2 to the power 20 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 equals to square root of 2 to the power 20 minus 1 plus 1. This is cancelled, so this will be 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 is your 1024. So this is a single answer type of question. Thank you for watching.